Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtreater.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: the nurse assesses silent breath sounds, which one requires immediate medical attention? Or silent who has? Option 1 Crackles, option 2 Rhonchi, option 3 Stridor, option 4 Wheezes. The correct answer of the question: answer 3 Stridor. Rational stridor is a sign of respiratory distress, possibly airway obstruction. Crackles and Rhonchi indicate fluid in the lung. Wheezes are caused by narrowing of their airway. Crackles, Rhonchi, and wheezes indicate respiratory illness and are potentially serious but do not necessarily indicate respiratory distress that requires immediate medical attention. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.